8 signs that you are eating too much sugar. Who doesn't love sugar? This sweet crystalline carbohydrate seems to be everywhere and in everything, but consuming too much of it can be detrimental to our health. Sugar-rich foods can be hard to avoid, and some of the biggest culprits include syrups, soft drinks, and even cereals. According to the American Heart Association, the maximum amount of added sugar one should be consuming daily is 150 calories or 37.5 grams per day for men and 100 calories or 25 grams per day for women, an amount that is easily surpassed by drinking just 1 can of Coke. Most people are surprised to learn the many physical ways in which excessive sugar intake can manifest itself. Did you know, for example, that inflammation can be one of those signs? In an interview with Everyday Health, Sherry Green, a podiatrist from New York City, said that sugar, along with refined grains and trans fats, is one of the chemicals that encourages inflammation in the body, including your feet. So knowing this, it's best that you keep an eye out for those physical symptoms. Your body can be a great indicator that you're consuming too much sugar. Before we begin this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more daily health tips like this, and turn on notifications so you never miss our new videos. Now, here are signs that you're eating too much sugar. Number 1, a constant craving for sugar. The more sugar you are consuming, the more you'll crave, making the sweet stuff fairly addictive. Similar to a drug, sugar gives a temporary high that's followed by a crash, which triggers the body to want more. Not only does excessive sugar intake lead to cravings, but your taste buds will adapt to the amount you're consuming and leave you needing more just to get the same taste. Number 2, feeling sluggish. If you notice that you continually feel tired and lack energy, there's a good chance it has to do with your sugar intake. Energy stability has a lot to do with blood sugar stability, and consuming too much sugar will send you on a blood sugar roller coaster. It's important to maintain stable blood sugar levels, as too much can not only result in weight gain, but deplete you of your natural energy and focus. Number 3, skin. Energy and focus. Number 3, skin issues. Breaking out in acne and rosacea can easily occur in those sensitive to getting a spike in insulin from a high dose of sugar. Excessive sugar consumption can show up on one's face in just a matter of days. If your skin appears to be continually breaking out and doesn't seem to improve regardless of treatment, it may be your diet that needs to be reassessed. Number 4, weight and sugar. Now, let's reassess number 4. Weight gain. Sugar is void of protein and fiber, which results in excess consumption because it doesn't fill you up. The more sugar you intake, the more excess calories are being consumed. Sugar triggers the release of insulin, a hormone that contributes to weight gain, which eventually causes insulin resistance when the body can't react to normal amounts of insulin. Insulin resistance isn't only linked to weight gain, but also to diabetes. Now, moving on to number 5, a bad attitude. Yes, number 5, a bad attitude. Not only can excess sugar intake take a toll on your physical health, but also on your mental health. When you're consuming too much sugar, you might, or other people will begin to notice that you're much moodier than usual. Blood sugar peaks, and then sudden crashes can cause mood swings and irritability. These extreme changes in blood sugar levels can also make symptoms worse for those who suffer from anxiety. Next up, number 6, cavities. suffer from anxiety. Number 6, cavities. Did you leave your last dentist appointment with more cavities than usual? It might be time to start cutting back on your sugar. Resident bacteria in the mouth consumes the sugar you intake, but produces an acid that can cause tooth decay. It's not the sugar itself that causes cavities, but the chain of events going on in the mouth that is galvanized by the sugar. Number 7, foggy brain, especially after meals. One of the most common symptoms of low blood sugar is brain fog. Excessive consumption of sugar leads to accelerated rises and falls of blood sugar levels rather than gradual. Improper control of blood sugar levels can raise the risk of cognitive issues and impairment. Number 8, nothing sweet enough anymore. Sugar overkill prompts your taste bud tolerance for the sweet stuff to go up, and satisfying a sugar craving takes more than it should. Feeling the need to consume more and more sugar just to satisfy the sweet tooth is obviously problematic for one's health. But cutting back on sugar will eventually lower your tolerance, and you'll be satisfied with less. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And thanks for watching. We're in